How is everybody doing? I hope you are fine. Well, today, you remember the time when we say at the end of the year that we are not going to buy any more watches, and I was really convinced about it. So right after that, I got like 2 new watches, and then another one and another one, and yes, another unboxing of another watch. And I guess and hope this will be the last one of this year. So I don't know what will happen next year, but I really don't expect to have any more watches next year. But you never know. I'm still one missing, so let's see. The truth is I have sold a lot of watches. Thus, I had space to add another one. This is one that I have been longing for a long time to get, and I just opened this, so everything else is to be discovered. So everything is, I hope everything is fine. So this is the outer box, and as you can see, this familiar green box and the brand tag of L'Oreal. Nothing else here. I got this second hand, and it's a used watch. Might have some scratches, but I really don't mind. I'm intending to really use the watch. Well, here it is. Here I have the extra links. It's a little bit stiff, but well, good to have the extra links. This for the end. I'm really looking forward. Oh, and there's, I don't see the poly watch, not the screwdriver. Well, I guess that will have to be that way. Yes, well, here is the watch. Opening, and here it is. Simple tagging, simple plastic here. Well, I'm not going to complain about not having the poly watch. I already have it, and also not the screwdriver, although it should be here. But well, that's the way it is. This is the watch. Let's see if we can focus to take a better look. It looks good. First impression, it looks good. Very small sized, so I guess I will have to add quite a few links here, but I have them all, so no problem with that. Also, I'm just, yeah. The reason I got this is that I got the Rambler, and I have always wanted to try this watch, because it really appeals that vintage look that I'm looking for, and it looks quite nice, to be honest. Oh, let's focus a little bit with more light. Yeah. Well, that's it. I will wear it for a while. I will make a review. I'm preparing quite a few reviews, so stay tuned, and I hope to see you soon in another video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.